Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
2013 Ford Explorer. I'm going to start our walk around on the driver's side. One little spot right up front there. Take a look at these tires. Brand new. You can still see the nubs there. You come up the driver's side, just looking for any dents, stings, scratches. One little thin spot right there. A little bit of dirt on it just from sitting on the lot here for a couple days. A little bit of fading right there in some of the rubber. Nothing major. Taking a look inside the vehicle now, you do get full power for the driver's seat. It's a nice gray leather seating. 97,251 is your current mileage. You've got AM, FM, satellite radio. Everything here is going to be touchscreen. All your climate control functionality just below it there. Multiple USB and power ports. All the flooring surface is going to be black. Great for not showing any staining. Looking in the back seat now, just do a nice pan over the seating surface there. No rips or tears. You do get rear air control as well as an additional power port. We flip the second row seat out of the way, get you nice access to the third row seating. No signs of any wear and tear back here. Looking in the cargo area now, this will be your cargo storage when that third row is in its upright position. We'll go ahead and put one of those seats down so you can see the versatility. Give you another shot now that we've laid one of those seats down into the flooring. Coming in from the passenger side, just taking one more look around this second row. There are some air vents up here as well. Wrapping up in the front passenger seat. Passenger gets some power, multiple adjustments there. One more look over the seating surface. One more spin around the back. And that's going to wrap up your 2013 Ford Explorer.